Hey guys, it's Joshua Stern with Keller Williams Real Estate and the Utah Roost High Performance Coaching Group. How do you sell your home for the most amount of money possible? Well, here are the things that you really want to do. First of all, staging is going to be key, making sure the property is not cluttered and filled with all your belongings. We always tell our sellers you're going to be moving anyway, so put it all in boxes, put it out in the garage, or put it in a room that's going to be unused that we won't photograph. Secondly, if there are little things that will help the property pop in a two-dimensional world, do so. Paint is a big one, flooring can be a big one, and right now those two things really do matter to buyers. And know that we'll send a professional photographer into the property, and when they come in and photograph that property, you want to make it look like you're actually not living there. Think of a model home. That's what you want it to look like, right? We call it fake living day, and of course you can put the coffee machine back on the countertop when the photographs are done. But those are a couple of tips that you really want to pay attention to in this market.